Let's review how to look up your financial history on aexpress.com. First, navigate to the financial history section within your My Account space. Then choose the transaction type that you would like to search for. You can choose between invoices, credit memos, or receipts. Next, choose the time frame for which you would like to search. You can choose a predefined date range of 7 days back, 14 days back, 30, 60, or 90 days back, or you can choose your own date range. And of course, you can search by transaction number if you have it on hand. Let's look back 90 days at receipts. Here we see a list of receipts in the past 90 days, and we're able to click on any one of these receipts to see how the payment was applied. Now let's take a look at invoices for the past 90 days. Here we can see the transaction number, the date, the amount due, and the status. Click on any transaction for details of the order. Finally, let's look at credit memos. Here we can see the credit memo number, the date, the original amount, and the status of the memo. Click in for more detail to see the exact product that was returned. After any search, you can use the export feature to prepare a file for download for your records. Once the export is complete, click the link to download the file. Thank you for watching this overview on searching financial history on aexpress.com.